stand right here and say no. I'm never gonna give up, I'm never gonna slow. The one that doesn't give up never loses to a foe. The one that could show to myself I could go all the way to the top, can't stop me. I'm a soldier, always closer till it's over. Older, but I'm bolder, moving forward, older, never slower. Good to know ya, don't go make me drop my shoulder. You need to believe you can achieve everything that you dream. Everything that you need is in the air that you breathe. It's in the mind that you feed, it's in the time that you bleed. Every second of life is another blessing to me.
And when you feel like you're nothing, but you wanna be something,
let's go. Yeah, it's what you need when you're down, need when you're out. It's what you need when you're sad and when you feel left out. You feel an energy drop and then creeps out, but with a little bit of hope you can figure it out. Let's go. Keep your head high, even when you're down inside. Through the pain you fight. I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with someone can't believe. Know what I want, so I'll take it out. Till the lights come on. And how careless we could be. And how careless
Habol-habol?
Buka kasi ng talik, kasi hindi na pili mo yan ng tali na dami. Hindi ko daw kaya bilangin. Wait, bukas na lang.
Yes, spacer.
Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta fuck up my old best friend. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me.
Umuli kasi ka rin tayo manin gabi daw. Yung pare.
Kasi,
Pare, taga-kang ka.
ayan rin. Yun na yung open gandang ko.
So yun guys, welcome to my vlog.
Ngayon, ang wakay.
Yeah, let's go. I don't wanna break down. Always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fake now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way even when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planning on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so good.
Hello. Mundo ka mo. Hindi naman ganyan. Sana.
Kailan mo amin naman ito pahuli na?
Sana naman natin mo. Sige. Sige. Sala. Ay, yan na nga. Okay. Ikaw na yung nakabilis na sa iyo. Kalog yan. Discrepancy na kasi itong sa input. Okay.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic.
lumabas na. Mitch. Anong tatap? Paban na yan, banzai.
Tinitin ako pa. Hindi isa lang. Kita ka tong ilaw, hindi pa.
Baka ano na yung nagawa ng pre-wedding nilalagyan. Lalagyan pa kasi siya nag-inubukan siya.
Yun, bumuka yung akin.
I heard you like to get away. Nag-isang washer lang.
I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right.
You wanna be something.
That's right. Let's go. Yeah. When you're feeling down and you're out, like you got nothing but doubt. You're alone in the crowd, just trying to figure it out. All of this cloud and this money got you feeling left out. Listen up to me now, every word that's out of my mouth. Let's wake up, it's me. You gonna follow your dreams, or are you just gonna be another cog in the scene? You feel the hope in this beat, yeah, the hope that you need to proceed and be exactly what you wanted to be. I feel right and I'm proud, hype and I'm loud. I'ma shout all about how I feel in the now. Ain't nobody ever gonna try to change me till I'm dead, pushing up daisies. I'm alone in the crowd, I won't feel down. I got hope right now and I know I'll be found. I don't really care just what all other haters gotta say. I know everything I do is gonna make them fade away. Right here and say no, I'm never gonna give up, I'm never gonna slow. The one that doesn't give up never loses to a foe. The one that can show to myself I can go all the way to the top, can't stop me. I'm a soldier, always closer till it's over. Older, but I'm bolder, moving forward, motor, never slower. Get to know ya, don't go make me drop my shoulder. You need to believe you can achieve everything that you dream. Everything that you need is in the air that you breathe. It's in the mind that you feed, it's in the time that you bleed. Every second of life is another blessing to me.
And when you feel like you're nothing, but you wanna be something.
Let's go. Yeah, it's what you need when you're down, need when you're out. It's what you need when you're sad and when you feel left out. You feel an energy drought and then creeps out, but with a little bit of hope you can figure it out. Let's go. Keep your head high even when you're down inside. Through the pain you fight and through the painful nights you keep striving, keep trying, keep driving, rising, keep thriving, surviving. Nothing's in your way but yourself. Don't need nobody's help. You can make it through this hell. Take it one step at a time.